Lifestyle lean on my guts. If you ain't gang, you don't trust. I got gun fingers to the head. Rock a wife beater, still out of spots. Hit a strike like Jude Bellingham. If you ain't gang, you don't trust. If you ain't gang,
I'm feeling good today. Alright, we're gonna keep this video raw. I'm not gonna cut it or anything, so whatever happens, happens. You guys already know what I say. But yeah, let's get right into it. I mean, it's Thanksgiving today. I'm very, very thankful for everything in my life. I was just at the gym, hit deadlifts, hit some upper body as well. I feel amazing right now. And also, I was just thinking about, this year in general, how it kind of went, 2025. It's November, it's about to end right now. So I just wanted to talk about some things, that happened this year, some things that will happen next year, and just overall, just a real talk type video with y'all. So for me personally, 2025 was a crazy ass year. I set some goals for myself that I didn't really know if I would actually achieve, but I ended up smashing them, literally killing them. So next year, 2026, I'm going to take things literally up a notch, take things a lot more serious. And yeah, it's just crazy to see how far you can come when you just focus on the things every single day that you have to do. You guys hear me say that same thing every single day, but it's so, so important because it's literally what changed my life. And yeah, it's Thanksgiving today. I'm very, very thankful. About to go to dinner with some family in a little bit. And honestly, bro, what I was thinking about today was when I was back working in a restaurant, bro. I didn't even I showed up late. I showed up hella late. I was working on Thanksgiving, bro. And during that time, bro, it's like I low-key needed the cash. And it was a very, very sad time. It's like, damn. Like Thanksgiving, like holidays, I can't even go see family. It's like, bro, low-key, just happy, just thankful for every one of you guys, as well as just thankful that I actually locked in this year. The last 2 years, honestly, I've been more locked in than ever. And 2026, I'm literally going to take it up the next level, right? Going to try and go 100 times as hard as I did in 2025. Because from 2025, yes, I did run up, my first 6 figures. And I learned a lot through that journey. I had a lot of losses. I had a lot of wins. I got scammed a bunch of times with prop firms, I lost a lot of money. I made a lot of money. But overall, the main thing this year that I realized and that I really learned was that you can literally do anything that you want in this life that we have, bro. It's actually crazy. At the start of this year, I was getting payouts, but I didn't know if I would be able to do this full time. And it's crazy, bro. I dropped out of college, went all in on the skill, and it just all clicked. It all clicked. And the thing is, bro, I knew it would work. I knew it would work, but the thing is, I didn't know, for sure, 100%. But yeah, all glory to God, most importantly. I'm kind of just freestyling this video, so bear with me. But overall, I'm super, super excited for everybody that's watching this. I'm excited to watch you guys grow. I'm excited for myself to grow. And let's talk about 2026, right? I know it's November. I'm probably one of the first people making this video. But the thing is, bro, we got to get ready now. We got to set those goals now. We got to set those higher standards now. And honestly, bro, if we get started a month early, or was it? Yeah, it's about to be December, literally. And let's see, what's today? I don't even know. Today is, yeah, it's about to be December, literally, in a few days. It's November 17th. No, I'm tripping, yo. It's November 27th, 2025. So it's literally about to be December. So what I was thinking was, what if we just start, every single New Year's goal that we have, every single new habit that we got to implement in December, right? So November, this month, I've literally been so focused. It's been a good-ass month for me personally. And I'm just so ready for this new year. I think in January, I'm probably going to move somewhere and, kind of go to that place where I'm uncomfortable. Holy stutter, bro. I can't even talk. But yeah, I just want to make myself more uncomfortable and get myself, more into the real world, So the thing is, I know in 2026, I will achieve every single goal that I set for myself, just because I know that in 2025, I set myself some goals that I didn't even know if I would hit them, ended up smashing them. But the thing is, in 2026, what I really want to focus on a bit more is saying no to things, right? And I know you guys, sometimes in your life, you may say yes to things a lot. You know, like me personally, I'm a I would say I'm a pretty outgoing person. Like, I'm kind of like, you only live once type vibe person. But the thing is, to achieve some of the big ass goals, the big ass goals that I have for 2026, I'm going to have to be saying no to a lot of things, you know, especially like going out with friends and stuff. Obviously, I'll go out here and there after, you know, I hit a big goal or something. But I really want 2026 to be one of my best ever grind years, where I'm really just locked in fully on everything that I want, because this next phase in my life, it's where I really have to put my head down and grind. I can't have distractions if I want to achieve the big ass things that I know I will achieve. And honestly, having this mindset a month before 2026 is probably the best thing ever, honestly, because I'm literally getting a head start on everybody. Or not on everybody, I'm literally not competing against anybody but myself, but I'm getting a head start on myself, if you guys know what I mean, right? So I'm developing new habits. I'm getting back into powerlifting. Why? Powerlifting, it builds me so much discipline. 2025, I'm going to be totally real with you guys. I kind of, you know, didn't really care about my health too much, which is something I don't want to do in the future. You know, with sleep, you know, with the gym, I wasn't consistent at all, bro. With diet, I was eating, you know, whatever. It's just not the person that I want to be. And I know that if I really want to become the best version of myself, to achieve my true potential and become that man that I know I will become and the man that I must become, I can't be slacking on these dumbass things in life. Like, you know, diet, gym, bro. Like, that structure in general translates into everything. It translates into trading, translates into businesses, translates into your overall mindset and literally everything in life. So 2026, I want to go harder on that, as well as I just know it's going to make me a more disciplined person, as well as overall chart time. This year, 2025, I was literally probably on charts like all day long, which very, very good, you know. But going forward, 2026, I really want to keep developing the OnlyTix model even more to what it is right now. But through that, I'm going to have to be spending even more chart time. So I'm setting myself some like daily non-negotiables of, you know, how much journaling I got to do, how much back testing, because I tell you guys to back test, I tell you guys to journal, but the reality is, bro, I'm still doing these things every single day, you know? It's what makes me better. And to get to those crazy trading months, I really do believe that, you know, the more screen time that you have, basically, the easier trading gets. And, you know, some people, bro, some of my students even, after I give them the plan, I give them the structure, they don't even do it. They don't go after it. They don't do their journaling. They don't do the back testing. Then they wonder why they blow their funded, you know, can't get a payout. Like, bro, you're always going to be a student of the game. This is something that you got to understand. You will always be a student of the game. These charts, bro, these markets, they go so deep to the point where there's always something to learn. If you think that you know everything about these markets, bro, I promise you, you're lying to yourself. Straight up. You're lying to yourself. And in 2026, bro, I know I'm going to go harder than ever. I'm so super excited, and I'm so excited to document the entire, you know, kind of journey. And yeah, you guys watch me on my YouTube basically document my entire journey from back when I was unprofitable to, you know, getting consistent prop firm payouts now. If you scroll all the way down on my YouTube, you can see I was back testing an hour every day. I mean, like, I'm going to be totally real. I haven't been like back testing too much because, you know, I kind of already have the model down, like my model now. But to get to that next level, you know, those big ass months, 6-figure months, I know what I have to do. And the reality is, bro, I'm getting started early. It's about to be December, so I'm about to start, you know, throwing in those habits, throwing in those daily things that I know I have to do in early. So I'm going to get a month head start on myself. And I think you should be doing the same thing, honestly. No matter where you're at in your trading, there's always more that you can go after. Maybe for you, it's not like your technicals necessarily. Maybe it's your psychology. Set yourself some things every single day that you have to do to make you a better trader, you know, or if you're not a trader and somehow you're watching this, to make you a better entrepreneur, make you a better, you know, businessman, whatever that you do in your life, bro. Because I know some people on this channel, they're not all traders, but bro, this literally goes for everything. Any business model, anything that you go for, when you really write down the daily action steps, the things that you know you got to do every single day, and you consistently stick to those things, then you will literally kill it, bro. You will kill your goals, because that's what I did in 2025. And I know in 2026, it's only going to go up and up, bro. Like at the start of this year, I wasn't 100% certain, like if I would achieve the goals that, you know, I had for myself, which honestly, that uncertainty is what fueled me, bro. That uncertainty, that fear of failure, bro, is what really pushed me to never skip a day of doing the things that I know I have to do, or I knew that I had to do, right? So yeah, just so that you guys understand as well, I'm not being boastful, nothing like that. All glory to God. Every single win, every single, you know, payout, it's all in God's name. I'm so thankful for everything that God's done for me this year. And also this year, 2025 is probably a year where I've grown very, very close with my relationship with God, and just in general, you know, when you pray for things, you will get them. You will. It's literally inevitable. And the thing is, though, you got to understand that every single loss, every single lesson that you take is God building you in the holy stutter. Let me lock in. Every single loss, every single failure is God building you into the person that you must become. When you understand this, bro, you're not going to get so emotional about any failures that you take, you know, any blown accounts, any payouts that you've lost, you know. It's just all part of his system, honestly, in my opinion. Like, in order to become the person that you want to become, to achieve all the things that you want, you're going to have to be beaten down. You're going to have to be dragged down to your lowest, because in those low, dark times in your life, that's where you learn the most. And me personally, bro, that's where I learned the most, honestly, bro. Those dark nights, you know, the sad nights where you're really asking yourself, will this really work? You got to use that anxiety. You got to use that pain to fuel you to literally get to the next level in your life. But yeah, I just wanted to yap a little bit. It's Thanksgiving. I got to go, low-key. It's 12:47 a.m. It was a bank holiday today. Didn't really trade AM session, just kind of watched. I would have taken a break even, low-key, but actually I low-key missed a gold trade. Gold longs off True Day Open, absolutely beautiful. But yeah, overall, bro, anything that you want, any dream, bro, write it down on a piece of paper. Set yourself the daily action steps that you have to do every single day to get you to that big ass goal, and from there, that's literally it, bro. Just trust the process. And yeah, this is my first ever raw type of video. So you guys are seeing the reality. I normally cut out, you know, stutters. I cut out, you know, I try to make it look super nice, but comment below if you guys want more of these raw type videos. And yeah, I low-key don't do them because I do stutter a little bit sometimes, as you guys just heard. But yeah, honestly, I'm super hyped to watch everyone grow, to watch myself grow, and I'm going to document all of it. And also, bro, honestly, bro, you guys should document your journey in whatever that you're doing. Whether you're a trader, entrepreneur, document it on a YouTube channel, because then you can really look back at, you know, the achievements, the hard times. You're going to see that those hard times that you were documenting when you're sad, when you're, you know, not at your peak, you're going to see how those hard times literally built you into the person that you are now, literally. That's probably the biggest thing. You guys should document everything that you do, at least on YouTube, you know, for yourself to watch in 5-10 years, because that's what I'm doing, bro. This video, it's Thanksgiving. I'm going to watch this video in 5 years, in 2, 3, whatever, 5 years on Thanksgiving, after I've literally achieved everything that I've ever wanted. And it's not all just about materialistic things. You guys got to understand that as well. I know you guys are young. You want all the cars. You want all the money. You want the penthouses, whatever. You want the vacations. But, bro, it's really way deeper than that. You can't bring all of those things into heaven, you know? So in 2026, I'm really focusing on my health, my spirituality. I'm really focusing on fine-tuning my weak points so that they can then translate into every single aspect of my life. But yeah, I just wanted to keep this video nice, short, and sweet. I know I did go a little bit over 14 minutes. I wanted to keep this video under 10 minutes, but that just did not work. I had too much to say right now. So yeah, enough yapping. I gotta go hunt a turkey right now for my family. And yeah, dinner is at like, I don't even know. But I gotta go hunting low-key to catch a turkey. I'm gonna grab him by his neck. I'm gonna throw him in the oven. And yeah, it's all gonna be good. Everybody's gonna be eating. Overall, also, don't you dare give up, bro. If you're uncertain, if you don't know, if like this whole like online money, trading, entrepreneurship space is for you, keep pushing, bro. Don't you dare give up, because right now in the markets, bro, with prop firms especially, there's more opportunity than ever. So, you know, put your head down, grind in those charts, you know, at least an hour a day in the charts, bro. Back testing. Everybody has time for that. No matter if you're in school, you have a job, you can always find time. So don't make that excuse of there not being time. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I love you all. Happy Thanksgiving. Comment below if you guys want more raw type of videos just like this. And yeah, until next time, peace out.